Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the best luggage for travel, designed to make your trip smoother and more organized. Whether you need something lightweight and durable or packed with smart features like USB ports and built-in locks, these top picks are perfect for every kind of traveler. Let's find the best one for your next adventure.
Number 5. Mono's Carry-On Pro Luggage. When it comes to modern travel, having the right luggage can make all the difference. Enter the Mono's Carry-On Pro, an upgraded version of the brand's award-winning carry-on. This luggage is designed to enhance your travel experience with thoughtful features and premium materials that offer both style and functionality. Built-in front compartment. One of the standout features of the Carry-On Pro is its built-in front compartment, making it easy to access your travel essentials. This compartment is perfect for storing a 16-inch laptop, ensuring it's safe and secure under the same aerospace-grade polycarbonate that makes up the rest of the case. High-quality polycarbonate shell. Durability is key for any frequent traveler, and the Carry-On Pro delivers with its high-quality polycarbonate shell. This material is dent-resistant, impact-friendly, and virtually unbreakable, offering peace of mind no matter where your journey takes you. Ultra-sturdy telescopic handle. Telescopic handle on the Mono's Carry-On Pro is ultra-sturdy, ensuring smooth handling and easy maneuverability. Whether you're rushing through the airport or gliding down the street, this handle is designed to provide maximum comfort and control. TSA-accepted lock. Security is a priority with the Carry-On Pro. It comes equipped with a TSA-accepted lock, ensuring your belongings are safe while complying with international travel standards. Whisper quiet wheels. No one enjoys the clattering noise of luggage wheels on rough surfaces. The Mono's Carry-On Pro addresses this with whisper quiet wheels that glide effortlessly over various terrains, making your travel experience more enjoyable. Premium vegan leather details. Attention to detail is what sets the Carry-On Pro apart. Number 4. Travelpro Platinum Elite Soft-Side Expandable Carry-On Luggage. When searching for the perfect carry-on luggage, durability, style, and functionality are at the top of every traveler's list. The Travelpro Platinum Elite Soft-Side Expandable Carry-On Luggage ticks all these boxes and more, making it a top choice for frequent flyers and occasional travelers alike. Available in a range of sophisticated colors such as vintage gray, Bordeaux red, metallic sand, rich espresso brown, shadow black, and true navy blue. This luggage is designed to impress. Expandable design with USB port. This expandable carry-on suitcase features an external USB port and a dedicated power bank pocket, making it easy to keep your devices charged on the go. While the power bank is not included, the convenient pocket meets FAA regulations for both carry-on and checked baggage, ensuring compliance with air travel standard. Precision Glide System. The Platinum Elite is equipped with the Precision Glide System, which guarantees precise control, effortless rolling. The 8 MagnaTrack self-aligning spinner wheels, paired with a height-adjustable power scope handle and comfortable contour grip, make navigating through busy airports or crowded streets a breeze. Interior organization. One of the standout features of this luggage is its attention to interior organization. The drop-in, fold-out sweater keeps clothes wrinkle-free, while the interior tie-down system includes built-in accessory pocket. Number 3. Paravel Aviator Carry-On Plus. In a world where sustainability is becoming increasingly important, Paravel Aviator Carry-On Plus stands out as a game-changer. As the first carbon-neutral carry-on in the world, this luggage combines eco-conscious design with premium functionality, making it a must-have for environmentally minded travelers. Perfectly sized for long weekend trips, Aviator Carry-On Plus is crafted from sustainably sourced materials, reflecting Paravel's commitment to reducing its carbon footprint. The Aviator Carry-On Plus is a masterpiece of sustainable design. It is made from recycled polycarbonate, recycled aluminum handles, recycled zippers, and vegan leather details. The interior is lined with negative nylon, which is crafted from 15 recycled plastic bottles. This commitment to sustainability extends beyond just materials. The entire production process, from sourcing to assembly, is carbon neutral. What sets the Paravel Aviator Carry-On Plus apart from other luggage options is its carbon-neutral design. Paravel offsets all carbon emissions generated during the creation and shipping of the luggage. They even go a step further by offsetting the estimated emissions of the first trip you take with the Aviator, ensuring that your travel is as environmentally friendly as possible. Despite its compact size, the Aviator Carry-On Plus is designed to hold everything you need for a week's worth of adventures. Can comfortably fit 4 to 7 days' worth. Number 2. Away the bigger carry-on suitcase. When it comes to travel, having the right suitcase can make all the difference. The Away the Bigger Carry-On is the go-to choice for many travelers, combining practicality with a sleek design. As an award-winning suitcase, it's designed by travelers for travelers, ensuring that every feature serves a purpose. Sized to fit in the overhead bins of most major US airlines, this carry-on maximizes packing space, while offering durability and ease of use. Let's dive into what makes the bigger carry-on a top pick for frequent flyers and occasional travelers alike. Durable, lightweight shell. The bigger carry-on is built with a durable, lightweight hard shell that has been rigorously tested to withstand the harshest travel conditions. Whether you're navigating bustling airports or rough terrains, this suitcase is designed to last, offering both protection and ease of transport. Packing is a breeze with Away's signature interior compression system. Number 1. Carl Friedrich the Carry-On Travel Luggage. Traveling in style requires luggage that not only looks good but also stands up to the rigors of the journey. Enter Carl Friedrich the Carry-On Travel Luggage, a sleek and durable cabin case designed for the modern traveler. With its understated elegance and robust construction, this carry-on is ideal for trips lasting up to 5 days. Whether you're jet-setting across Europe or embarking on a business trip in the US, this luggage offers the perfect blend of form and function. Carl Friedrich Carry-On is crafted with an impact-resistant polycarbonate shell and reinforced with hard-wearing aluminum frames. This combination not only provides a polished, sophisticated look, but also ensures that the luggage can withstand the bumps and bruises of travel. The aluminum frame features a secure lock closure, giving you peace of mind that your belongings are safe. From the robust polycarbonate shells to the aluminum frames, every material used in this carry-on is of the highest quality. The durability of these materials ensures that your luggage stays in top condition, no matter how often you travel. This commitment to quality is what sets Carl Friedrich apart from other luggage brands.